Happy morning, children. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter, algebra. So dear children, take your third chapter note and write it down. Children, take your previous class homework, check your answers. And exercise 3.5, factorize the following. First subdivision, x square plus 4x plus 4. Then this is of the form a plus b the whole square form. Okay. Then here x square, this one we can write what x square, we have to write last term also we have to write 2 square, isn't it? This one a, this is b. Okay. Instead of a, what is there? A is equal to x, then b is equal to 2. Okay. Then x square write it, then plus 2 into AB. AB means what? X into 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 4x we will get, isn't it? Then this is of the form, which form? A square plus 2AB plus B square. This form. That means what's the factor? A plus B the whole square. Then we can write what? A plus B the whole square. A means what? Here x. B is 2. X plus 2 the whole square. You got it? Very good. Then fifth one, 6 minus 216 x square given. Okay. Then here how many terms are given? 2 terms, isn't it? So you have to use which identity? A square minus b square. Here minus is there. So a square minus b square identity we can use. Okay. So first you check it which is common. Here 6 is there, here also 1 6 is there, isn't it? Then here 6 into 36 is 216. 1 6 you take outside, and then 6 into, here if you take common means then remaining, here 1 is there. 6 into 1 is 6 minus, and then 36 into 6 is 216 or x square. Then 6 into 1 minus, and then 36 we can write 6. Okay, 6 the whole square. Okay, so we can write what? 6x the whole square. Shall we write? Okay. Then now you this is of the form a square minus b square form. Here a is there. What is given? A is 1. B is 6x. Okay, b is 6x. So we can write what? 6 into a plus b or a minus b. A minus b first I wrote, here 1 minus 6x into a plus b, 1 plus 6x. Then how many factors? Here these are the factors. This is the factorized form. Okay. Then next we are going to study. Then next example sum. Before we have to see the formulas. These formulas have to use. Okay. Then a square plus b, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Then this one already exercise 3.4 you studied this formula. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay. These 3 formulas we have to use. Then exercise 3.26 sum. Okay. How to use this? So you must study these formulas. Then example 3.26, factorize the following. First one, 27x cube plus 125y cube. Okay, both also x cube and y cube. Okay, first one, first subdivision 27x cube plus 125y cube. Then this is of the form, which form? A plus, here plus is there, isn't it? A cube plus b cube form. Okay. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into what? A square minus AB plus B square. Okay, then we have to use this formula here. Then before this 27 we can written as which cube? 3 cube. Very good. So we can write 3x the whole cube. Shall we write? 3x the whole cube plus 125 we can write 5 cube, isn't it? Then 5y the whole cube. Shall we write like that? Okay, very good. And equal to, now we have to check here. Here instead of a, what is given? Instead of a is equal to 3x, b is equal to, instead of b, 5y is given. Okay, then this values, shall we apply this formula? Okay, then you say a plus b. You say this is of the form a cube plus b cube, isn't it? And equal to a plus b. A plus b means what? Then 3x plus 5y into a square. A square means then 3x the whole square. Okay, then minus ab. A is 3x, b is 5y. Clear? Then this plus b square. B square means 5y the whole square. Okay, already opened this bracket. Close it. Any doubt? Very clear? Then equal to 3x plus 5y into 3x the whole square is 3 3s are 9, isn't it? 9 x square. Very good. And this to multiply, this minus 3 5s are 15 x y. Okay, then 5y the whole square is what? 25, isn't it? Plus 25y square. Any doubt? This is the factorization. Can you reduce again? No, like terms. So we cannot reduce, isn't it? So this is the answer. Therefore the answer is 3x plus 5y into 9x square minus 15xy plus 25y square. Very clear? Then second subdivision. Same model, 216 m cube minus 343 m cube. N cube. Okay, here instead of plus minus is there. Okay, that's the difference. And equal to, so which formula we can apply here? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Am I correct? Okay, then here 216 is there, isn't it? 216, which cube? Then 216, it will come 6 6 are 36, then 36 into 6 is or 216, isn't it? So shall we write 6 cube? Okay, then so we have to write here is 6m the whole cube, then minus, then 343, then which cube is 343? 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7 is what? 343, isn't it? So shall we write 7n the whole cube? Okay, very good. Then here instead of a, what is given? Instead of a, 6m is there, isn't it? Then instead of n, b, 7n. Okay, then shall we apply these values in this identity? Okay, then a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b. A is 6m minus 7n into, close the bracket and open the bracket. Okay, here a square. A square means here 6m the whole square plus a is 6m, b is 7n. Okay, plus B is 7n the whole square. Okay, close the bracket. Here open the bracket, here close it. Then equal to 6m minus 7n into, okay, into 6m the whole square is, 6 square is 36, isn't it? 36 m square. Okay, correct? Then 6 sevens are 40, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, isn't it? 42 mn. Then plus this 7n the whole square is 7 sevens are 49, 49 n square. Any doubt? Therefore, the answer is 6m minus 7n into 36m square plus 42mn plus 49n square. Okay, clear? Have you understood this one? And third subdivision is 2x power 4 minus 16x y cube. Okay, 2x power 4 minus 16x y cube. Okay, now you check it. Here any common is given? Yes, isn't it? 2 common is there. Here 16 is there. Here 2 is there. So 2 common you can take. Then here x power 4 is there. Here x is there. Shall we take this x outside? X. Okay. Remaining is same. Here 2x we took outside. Remaining x cube is there. Okay. Then minus 2 8s are 16. Isn't it? 2 8s are 16. So we can write what? 8 here. Okay. 2 into 8 is 16. This x we took outside. Then remaining y cube is there. Okay. And equal to here 2x common. Remaining is a x cube minus, and this 8 we can written as 2y the whole cube. Okay. 8 we can written as 2 cube. Okay. That means 2y the whole cube we can write. Okay. Then now you check it here. This is of the form a cube minus b cube form. Okay. What's the formula you say? Since a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Open your mouth and say. Okay. Then only easy for you. Okay. Then instead of here a is equal to, here a is equal to what is given? X is given. Okay. B is equal to 2y. Then these two values we have to apply this identity. Okay. Then equal to 2x common. Okay. And this one you should not do anything. Then here 2x common, remaining this a cube minus b cube form. This is a cube, this one b cube. Okay, equal to a minus b. A minus b means say x minus 2y into a square. A square means what? X square plus ab. A is x. B is 2y plus b square. B square means 2y the whole square. Then close the bracket. And equal to 2x into x minus 2y into this x square. X into 2y is 2xy. Shall we write? X into 2y. We can write what? 2 into xy. Plus here 2 square. 2 square means what? 4. 4y square. Any doubt? Therefore the answer is 2x into x minus y into x square plus 2xy plus 4y square. You got it? Fourth subdivision is 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 64z cube minus 72 x, y, z. 72 x, y, z. Then equal to, this one we can written as 2x the whole cube. 2x, and shall we write 2x the whole cube? 2x the whole cube plus this one 3y the whole cube. Shall we write? Plus this one 4z the whole cube minus then 3 into 2x. 3 into 2x into this 3y into 4z. Okay, this is of the form. Then already we learned one formula, isn't it? Which formula? Let's say a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay. With the help of this formula, then we have to find the factors. Okay. Shall we write that formula? Only you will get idea. And then say since a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay. Then with the help of this formula, we have to find the answers. Okay. Here a cube, b cube, c cube is there. So then we have to find this one 3 into a is what? 2x. B is 3y. C is 4z. Okay. And this is which form is given? This form is form we got, isn't it? Then this form is there. So we have to apply where this values we have to apply this formula. Okay. And therefore here a is equal to 2x. B is equal to 3y, c is equal to 4z. So we are using this formula. Okay, shall we apply? Then equal to a plus b plus c. That means 2x plus b. B is 3y plus c is 4z into, there no place, into what? A square into, okay, continue and write it, okay, here, into a square means what? 2x the whole square, okay, then plus b square, that means 3y the whole square, then plus c is 4z the whole square, minus ab is what? 2x into 3y. Then minus BC is 3y into 4z. Minus what? CA means what? C is 4z into A is what? 2x. Am I correct? Then equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4z. This one we cannot add, isn't it? We cannot add. Why means this is not a like term. Like term only we can add or subtract. Okay? Into. And then 2x the whole square is 4x square. Correct? 3y the whole square is 9y square. Plus 4z the whole square is 16z square. Then this minus 2x into 3y is what? 6xy. Okay, minus. Then 3y into 4z is what? 12 yz. Okay, minus 4z into 2x is 4 2s are 8, isn't it? 8zx. Then close the bracket. Am I correct? Have you understood this one? Okay, this is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So you have to use this identity. Okay, and then you have to apply a value, a b c value, apply this identity. Okay, then we will get the factors. Can you add this any time? No, isn't it? We cannot add. Therefore the answer is 2x plus 3y plus 4z into 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square minus 6xy minus 12yz minus 8zx. Okay. Next, exercise 3.5 and fourth sum. Factorize the following. Second subdivision and third subdivision I am giving. First one you do homework. Okay. Then here 27x cube minus 8y cube. Okay. If you see the question, at once you can write the identity, isn't it? You know very well. Say the identity. Very good. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, isn't it? Shall we use that formula? Okay. Then second one, second subdivision, 27x cube minus 8y cube. This one we can written as what, which cube? Very good. 3 cube, 27, and we can written as 3 cube, isn't it? Then 3x the whole cube. Shall we write? Minus this 8 we can written as what? 2 cube, isn't it? So 2y the whole cube. Okay, 2y the whole cube. Since which formula we can use here? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, then we have to use this formula. Then equal to, instead of a, what is there? Instead of a, 3x is there. Instead of b, 2y is there. Okay, 2y we have. Okay, we have a is equal to 3x, b is equal to 2y we have. Am I correct? Then these values, shall we apply this identity? Okay. Then a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b. A minus b means a is 3x minus b. B is 2y into, open the bracket, here a square. A square means a 3x the whole square. Okay. Plus ab. AB means here 3x into 2y. Okay, 2y. Then plus b square. B square is what? 2y the whole square. Any doubt? Then equal to 3x minus 2y into, so you say that, then 3x the whole square is, 3 square is 9, isn't it? 9x square. Then 3x into 2y is what? 3 2s are 6. 6xy plus 2y the whole square. This one already opened here. Again close it. Okay. Then 6y the whole square. Okay. 6y the whole square is, sorry, 2y the whole square, isn't it? And then 2 square is 4, isn't it? 4y square. Okay. Therefore, what's the answer? Say the answer. 3x minus 2y into 9x square plus 6xy plus 4y square. Any doubt? 4y square. Got it? Have you understood this one? And third subdivision is a power 6 minus 64. Okay. Then equal to this one we can written as here a power 6. A power 6 any formula do you know? No, isn't it? Then we know then a cube minus b cube formula, isn't it? Otherwise a square minus b square formula. But here a power 6 is given. This one shall we write a cube the whole square minus then this 64 we can write as what? 2 power. Sorry, here a power 6 minus and this one we can written as what? 2 most of we can write a power 6 minus this one 2 power 6 shall we write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, then 6 times if you multiply then we will get what? 64. Okay, so this 2 power 6 we can written as what? 2 cube the whole square shall we write. Then how we will get it? Then a cube the whole square is this to multiply. Powers multiply means then a power 6 it will come. Minus this power you multiply then a 2 power 6. Okay. Then equal to this is of the form a square minus b square. Isn't it? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Isn't it? And then we have to apply this formula here. Okay. Any doubt? Here a cube, then a. Here a is what? A cube. B is 2 cube. Okay. Then shall we apply here? A plus b. That means a cube plus 2 cube into a minus b. A minus b means a cube minus what? 2 cube. B instead of b 2 cube is there. Isn't it? 2 cube. Then equal to this 2 formula we know. Isn't it? And then a cube plus b cube. What's the formula you say? Shall we write here? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into then a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, like that. Here a minus b. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And plus minus one different. Okay, that's the difference. Then remaining same. Here a is equal to what we have? A. B is equal to we have 2. Okay, shall we apply here? And then a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. A plus b means here a plus 2 into a square. Okay, a square means a square only. Minus a into 2. A into 2 is what? 2a. Am I correct? A into 2 is 2a. Then b square. B square means what? B square is 2. Isn't it? So here b is 2. B square is what? 4. 2 square. 2 square means what? Otherwise one more step also we can write. Okay. Then into. Okay. You should not put here plus or minus but also into. A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube what's the formula? A minus b. That means a minus 2 into a square. A square is a only. Okay, a square plus ab. Ab means then a into 2. That means 2a. A into 2 is 2a. Okay, then plus b square. B square means 2 square. Any doubt? And equal to a plus 2 into a square minus 2a plus 2 square is 4 into this a minus 2 into a square plus 2a plus what? 4. 2 to some 4. Am I correct? Any doubt? Have you understood? Then shall we arrange this one? A plus 2 and a minus 2. Shall we bring first a plus 2 into a minus 2 Remaining these two factors we have to write. Then a square minus 2a plus 4 into a square plus 2a plus 4. Okay. Therefore the answer is what? A plus 2 into a minus 2 into a square minus 2a plus 4 into a square plus 2a plus 4. Clear? Have you understood this one? First one, a power 6 is given, so we have to use which formula? A square minus b square formula. This one a cube the whole square, write it. This one 2 cube the whole square, write. Okay. Then afterwards here a cube plus b cube into a cube minus b cube, and that two formula we have to apply here, and then we got the answer. Okay, these are the factors. Can you reduce again this one? No, isn't it? Okay. Shall I give you homework for you? Then exercise 3.5. 3.5, then fourth subdivision, first one homework you do. Okay. Fourth one, first subdivision you do. Sorry, here the exercise 3.5, fourth question, first subdivision, a cube plus b cube, that formula. Okay. And then resemble that one. Then fifth question also try to do. Okay. And fifth one, already we did not. Then example 3.26, last sum. Okay, last sum. That two question here given. That two question also try to do homework. Okay, already you did this model. Okay, so these two question also you should do. Okay, and example 3.26, fourth subdivision model. Okay, and then which one? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, and that means one formula is there, isn't it? Last formula. And then this formula, with the help of this, you have to use this formula. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. That form you should bring. Then that values apply here. Okay, you will get the answer. Have you understood? Any doubt? Okay. In this homework, if you have any doubt, you can call me in the doubt clearing section. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.